I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about selecting the right adhesive for your application. If you're doing an installation that's going to be subjected to heavy rolling loads such as hospital beds, you want to use the right adhesive. We've got products like Taylor Pinnacle. Taylor Pinnacle is a transitional pressure sensitive. It transitions from a soft set pressure sensitive to a hard set like an epoxy over a period of time. In fact, you can get heavy rolling loads onto it after 24 hours. We also have products like Taylor Resolute. Taylor Resolute is a moisture-cured adhesive that provides moisture protection and sound control, but it also is great for heavy rolling load traffic. You can get heavy rolling loads onto Taylor Resolute after just 8 hours. It's a phenomenal product. Now, we've got other products that are soft set like Taylor Versatile. We do not recommend that for heavy rolling loads simply because it always remains pressure sensitive and consequently is going to be releasable. You want to have an adhesive like Taylor Pinnacle or Resolute that's not going to displace under heavy point loads, and you don't have to worry about losing bond in those type of applications. So remember, next time you're doing an installation in an area that's subject to heavy rolling loads, select the right adhesive for your application. And at Taylor, we're with you every step.